Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see a cool summer drink, pomegranate mint juice. For this we need a cup of pomegranate seeds. This is approximately a medium-sized fruit. To this add few mint leaves, sugar as per your taste, and a pinch of nutmeg powder. Let us add the water later. First we are going to blend this. If you add water at the initial stage, the seeds won't get grind properly. This is perfect. Now let us add a cup of water. The juice is ready. Let us filter this. Pomegranate is rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, carbohydrates and fiber. It treats and prevents hypertension, high cholesterol, diarrhea, stomach infections and even mouth ulcers. So taking this regularly is very good for health. Add some ice cubes if needed. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.